Ayog Advance is a fusion of 21 essential oils by a specialized process of quantum technology, where each quantum particle is highly target-specific, hence more potent. For Ayog Advance, patent has been applied for the quantum technology. Ayog Advance is a potent viral load reducer. Alkalinity of Ayog Advance neutralizes localized acidity and prevents penetration of the virus. Pathogen adhesive property of quantum particles makes it easy to stick to the virus. It breaks He dimer, kills the virus and prevents further replication. Ayog Advance also upregulates the innate immunity. Body's defense cells release cytokines which attack and kill the pathogens. Ayog Advance is clinically tested against COVID-19. Clinical trial was conducted at the SVP Hospital, the biggest government-operated COVID-19 hospital in Gujarat. In the trial, 74 COVID-19 patients were enrolled and 60 patients completed the trial. 30 patients were on the standard of care treatment and 30 were on the Ayog Advance in addition to standard of care. The recovery rate was 100% in the Ayog group compared to the standard of care group. 38.88% reduction in serum ferritin was observed in the Ayog group. A statistical significant difference was observed in CT value of E gene and RDRP gene within the groups. In a clinical trial, Ayog Advance showed a promising safety profile with no side effects, no contraindications and no toxicity. The dosage of Ayog Advance is 10 ml 3 to 4 times a day on an empty stomach. Protection is crucial for high-risk professions like doctors, nurses, paramedics, police force and all others who come in contact with COVID patients. For the protection from the virus and to prevent the recurrence of infection, Kepler brings to you Ayog Protect, fusion of essential oils. Ayog Protect stops penetration and replication of virus, protects immune cells and stimulates immunity. The dosage of Ayog Protect is 10 ml 2 times a day on an empty stomach. Ayog Advance and Ayog Protect.